Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we are taking a closer look at the Bosscase silicone case for the iPhone 13. This premium case is not your average phone accessory, it's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their device safe and stylish. Made of high-quality Germany Bayer liquid silicone, this case has a velvety touch that feels great in your hand and provides a safe and easy grip. The soft microfiber lining inside keeps your phone scratch-free while still supporting wireless charging. But that's not all. The Bosscase case also comes with two 9H hardness 3D tempered glass screen protectors, ensuring your screen is always safe from scratches, shocks, and impacts. And with original response sensitivity and ultra clarity, you won't even notice they're there. Worried about your camera lens getting scratched or dusty? Don't be. This case has a unique built-in camera cover to protect your lens and keep it looking crystal clear. Not only does this case provide top-notch protection, but it also adds a touch of elegance and style to your iPhone 13. Its hot pink color stands out and bestows confidence and aesthetic taste to its master. Plus, with a worry-free customer service plan and lifetime replacement offer, you can trust that Bosscase has your back. So, if you want to keep your iPhone 13 safe and stylish, make sure to check out the Bosscase silicone case. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.